Hello friends, today is another video about Instagram, and today in particular we will talk about things that might limit your account, in the way that Instagram will not show your content to many people. And why is that? Well, there are different reasons for that, and we'll go into this into detail in just a second. And before, I would just like you to ask to subscribe for my channel. Here we talk about business and self-development, and in particular I also talk quite a lot about how to grow your Instagram successfully, how to use it for business. I have a whole playlist on this topic, so make sure you watch those videos after this video. I'll put a link below in the description so that you can get more information on this topic. And today we will talk about things that better not to use in your content, And most of them are common sense, but very often it's like people don't really sense that it's not good to do. And I would say that all of those things I will talk about today can be put in the category of things that are not nice to see or not organic. So in general, we see that Instagram works in the way that Instagram wants people to grow their accounts organically, and everything related to faking something is resulting in the way that Instagram limits the growth of the account. There are many ways Instagram can do that, and also any kind of content which is not nice is also Instagram is interested that people stay on this platform. So if somebody is showing not nice content, that people will say, oh, I see something like that on Instagram, I don't like to use this platform anymore, so much garbage, I'd rather watch something else, some more family-friendly social media. Instagram doesn't want that, So those two criteria we can see on Instagram, and I will give you some more examples in just a second. So let's talk about the things that are not nice and people might not like this kind of content. Well, first of all, it's any content related to violence, and it can be like pictures showing some really hard fighting or, blood and things like that. And also as well, talking about those things, any kind of, suicide or something like that. Because Instagram can not only notice such pictures, but they can also detect information in the voice, messages and so on. So really avoid any kind of violence, which I assume you already understand, but somehow, sometimes there are things which are quite, they are not really violence, but they can be interpreted like that by Instagram. So watch out for that. The second thing is everything which is not healthy, like people really like, the pictures with a cigarette or a cigar or alcoholic drinks and things like that. But to be honest, those things are not healthy, and Instagram as a family-friendly platform doesn't really want to have a lot of that on it. So I also had some pictures with a glass of wine or something, and I decided to delete it because, this is not Instagram. It's not family friendly, and it's not good for kids, and in general, it's not very healthy. Not at all, I would say. So even though, okay, doesn't matter. And the next point would be like cursing, saying words which are not nice to hear. And all of this is more or less like common sense, but still people forget about it and they, do not nice things on Instagram. The next point is, sexual kind of stuff, people really put their pictures naked or half naked or too, open up too much, trying to be more sexy or something, but actually being sexy and being naked is not the same thing, And even though it's common sense, but so those were things which are not nice, and you can think about everything else, which is not nice. So everything which is not family friendly, just drop it. Even though, people who are very famous, somehow they also curse on their accounts, using this kind of language and do whatever they want, but it's different, they anyway get quite a lot of subscribers now. But if you're like a small account, it's good to be really careful. And in general, it's good for your well-being and like to have a good, just to have good manners is common sense. Yes. So let's talk about the second category, and those are things which are fake. You know, everything which is fake, not organic. As I already mentioned many times, Instagram, and anyway, everything which is fake is not good, no matter if Instagram likes it or not. So again, it's the common sense. It's not good to cheat, you know. But I'm here not to teach, you know, ethics. So it's more about Instagram growth. So let's say fake can be like fake news, you know. Yeah, social media really don't like fake news because they can cause a lot of drama. Yeah? And so never post something like that. And as well, don't share such posts, because if you share such posts, Instagram will think that you are also likely to post something like this yourself. And anyway, Instagram doesn't want such things to be shared. So really think before you share some crazy news or something. You know, it's really good to check it out if it's just something like really fake or not. The second thing would be like giving promises to people which are not very realistic. You know, like people might be promising that, okay, if you use this product, then tomorrow you already get results or something like that. If you use this cosmetics, then tomorrow you will look 20 years younger, or you will lose weight in a couple of days or something, or you will learn language in 1 week. So everything which sounds, you know, too good to be true can be interpreted as fake. Yeah, and it is usually fake. So it's no wonder that Instagram sees it as fake. So don't do that. Don't cheat on people, and don't cheat in the way. Don't do anything fake in the way that Instagram will, you know, limit your reach. And the next point would be everything related to buying your followers, your comments, your likes, you know, participating into some engagement groups. So everything fake on this site, and this is so easy for Instagram to detect. So never do something like that. This is more obvious, but still there are so many offers on Instagram. I had a lot of offers like that. Like it's crazy how many people still do it. So please watch out. It really brings no benefit neither to you nor to your followers, your true followers that you actually can reach. And also things like giveaways can be considered not very organic, because basically you pay for people's activity without people having organic interest into your offer, into what you're talking about. So really watch out with giveaways. And the last thing, which became crazily popular nowadays, is stolen content. There are so many people copying each other. It's amazing. I can't believe it sometimes. So really don't steal people's content. You know, Instagram can see if this is something posted for the first time, or if it's already been, you know, posted before. It means that somebody just copied this content. And stealing is not good anyway, you know. So this was it about things which one should really avoid posting on Instagram for the algorithm reason, and also for the reason of, you know, common sense and being a good person in general. I hope you like this video, and please also watch my playlist on how to grow your Instagram account fast and organic. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'm sure it will be useful for you. Good luck with your Instagram growth. And also please leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you had any difficulties with your reach lately, if you think Instagram kind of limits your reach, and maybe I could help you finding the reason why it happens. So see you in my next video.